But if you do have a property paid off free and clear or something that has a tremendous amount of equity, that property should be held in a couple people are asking the question, do you have a separate LLC for each property? No, I don't. And that's a personal decision. Here's the answer, guys. Everybody on YouTube is going to give you a different answer. Clint Coons gives you a different answer. Then you talk to somebody else, gives you a different answer. Talk to Tom Wilwright, gives you a different answer.
How'd this go, Screwy?
Here's the appropriate answer. How do I know whether I should put every property into a separate LLC or not? How do I know that? It's based on your personal risk tolerance. For me, we put between 6 and 8 properties into every LLC. Why? 1, my risk tolerance is pretty high. 2, I have an umbrella policy on all my properties. So even if one property burns down and it goes through the insurance policy, guess what? I have an umbrella policy that kicks in and pays for that property. Second thing is, most of my properties, if somebody sues that LLC, most of my properties have a significant debt on them, right? Because I'm buying properties subject to or seller finance. So these aren't houses that are paid off free and clear. However, if I have a house paid off free and clear, which I don't suggest you ever have a house paid off free and clear, that's my strategy. It's the anti-Dave Ramsey strategy. It's the Robert Kiyosaki strategy. If you have a property that's paid off free and clear, it is way better for you to pull out a line of credit against that property and go invest in 3 or 4 other properties that significantly grow your assets way faster. But if you do have a property paid off free and clear or something that has a tremendous amount of equity, that property should be held in a trust that is essentially by itself. Okay. Low equity equals low liability. If somebody sues you and they find out you don't have equity in the property, what are they going to get? Not going to get anything.